What the heck?
Oh my gosh, his videos always leave me like.
Hey everyone, Jason Catron here.
I'm Katie Talbot.
We are Vocal Lab Collective. Here we are.
Jason, here we are.
Ooh.
There's a linger.
I don't know. I was trying to do a trick, but I'm like, I don't do that.
You don't do tricks.
But it seemed like it.
He does.
I'm a very tricky guy.
Hit that subscribe button.
Talking about the tricks, hit it.
Hit it.
Subscribe to this channel. To this channel.
Follow us on Instagram, TikTok,
Facebook, all the things. Anything you can think of, follow it. Yeah, Katie, how you been?
Oh, you know, I've been good.
Me too.
I've been really good. It's summertime, which is my favorite season. Actually,
I think mine's fall.
Yeah, I was about to say, I think I have a lot of different favorite seasons depending on what season I'm in. But I do know I don't love winter.
Oh, yeah.
Anyways, how have you been?
I've been great.
You've been social lately.
Always.
Oh, obviously, he's not the one who's got kids.
I should have been a socialite.
You are. Who says you're not?
Oh, I guess you're right. I am.
Yeah. Do you see all the repost stories that people do of you?
It's a thing.
And you're like, you travel around with like royalty. I mean, he's with me all the time.
This is true. Look at this regal.
Yes. This is given to me by royalty, actually.
Yeah, it looks very regal.
Yeah.
Speaking of royalty, who are we reacting to today?
Oh my gosh.
Vocal royalty, that's for sure.
Vocal royalty, Dimash.
Woo woo.
Brand new here.
Yup.
Together.
We are together.
We are together, but this will bring us more
together.
the
songs together.
The
okay.
songs together.
Shall we?
Do the finger.
Let's get right to it.
Let's do it.
Boop.
You're on the moon.
What could just be... Oh, yeah. Could be Mars. Those are crazy looking suits.
They're looking for Elon Musk.
Yeah. Oh. There's life. I'm kind of scared, actually.
His videos and productions are insane.
They're next level.
Michael Jackson would be so proud.
Yeah. Whoa. I mean, these...
Oh.
When the morning comes a bit too late.
Ooh.
And it seems like this cold, chilling night just here forever. When it feels like you have lost your way. In this mundane life, period of every day.
It's beautiful.
I can tell you I'll be here with you. It's no game and there's no shame, my baby. Sing with me and we can make it. Bobby, call up and sing. Let me help and spread your wings. Stay with me and we will witness the new day. If you want to change your world, let's start today. You can take me by the hand, I lead the way.
That's not palace.
It's about now or never. We'll do everything together. If you want to change your world, let's start today. I can tell you from experience.
Oh, it's him.
Wait,
what?
Wait, that was Dimash before, right?
See, the sun is up, it gives the light to the people who can share its pure greenness. I can tell that you'll be here with me. Let us end this game of life, my baby. Sing with me and we can make it. Pop it all up and sing. You are who you choose to be. Let them wonder you are bringing the new day. If you want to change your world, let's start today. You can take me by the hand and lead the way. It's about now or never. We'll do everything together. If you want to change your world, let's start today. If you want to change the world, let's start today.
That's such a cool set.
You can take me by the hand and lead the way. It's about now or never.
What the
Oh my
heck?
gosh, his videos always leave me like
I know.
wanting.
Seriously.
Sometimes I get lost in the video more so than the song.
I did. That's how I found myself getting so wrapped up in this whole
Yeah.
like segment of a show I watched here, which is really cool.
So good.
His team is next level. I mean,
So, two things though I
Yep.
want to point out.
Okay.
One, obviously it's a very like much more pop song, but his voice actually wasn't pop in this.
mm-hmm.
It was a lot more classical on the classical side, which
Yeah.
is cool to mesh
was
the two
very cool,
together.
yeah.
And then with the guitar tone, I was actually taken back to Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventures.
Oh gosh, I never would have thought of that.
Never? Oh yeah, no, I was taken back.
I mean, yeah.
I need to
I mean,
watch that
I can.
movie now.
Yeah, I can pick up on that now that you say it, but
Yeah.
that would never
If
enter
you've
my
not
mind.
seen it, just go see it.
Yeah.
I'm kind of confused by the video, but I'm also really tired from being up all night with the baby.
That's called baby confusion. Post baby brain fog.
Brain fog.
That's what we call that. No, I really loved his voice in this because it was a little more, again, being a pop song, so it was a little more just subdued. It wasn't so theatrical and the
Yeah.
big high notes and
Yeah.
all the crazy stuff that he can do with his voice,
Right.
which is really dramatic and epic.
breathy texture.
The
is
breathy
gorgeous.
texture is so good.
Gorgeous.
It's so good.
Yeah,
I also think
that's
it's really
sexy.
cool how he it's almost like, and it is because it is leaning in a little bit to the classical styling.
Yeah.
But it's like there's just like a little lift of a vocal cloud in his mouth, if you will,
Totally,
right? And some of the
totally.
words and tones.
Yeah.
And it's unique. You
Yeah,
don't
very.
hear that very often. And then combined with his unique voice, it was really, it was just cool to me to hear that in this song.
Yeah, very.
But yeah, that breathy texture, whoo, he could do that all day.
Oh, gorgeous.
All day.
And I've
Absolutely
not heard
beautiful.
it much throughout the whole song like he did with this one.
Right, yeah,
It was
totally.
really, sometimes he'll start there
And then
he builds
gets
into
big.
his crazy climax that he's able to do with his voice. So I really appreciated
Mm-hmm.
having it the entire time. It was very warm to listen to.
Yeah, absolutely. I
Ooh,
loved
this
it.
was a good
It
one.
was a good one. I'm glad we did this.
Great, Dimash. I approve.
He's so glad you do.
Yeah, well, I know
And
he
so-
wrote me being
oh, did he?
Yeah, can you check this out, please?
That's funny
Yeah,
because
he
he
did not.
texted me and said, I'm going to write Katie a letter and tell her this. And
You know what? He shared a lot more in the letter, too.
Oh,
He
wow.
appreciates your friendship.
Wow, okay, good.
Okay, I
Oh.
found this on the web for he shared a lot more than two. Check it out.
What just happened?
I don't know, but that's the best thing
That
that's
is-
ever happened to our channel.
Wow, that
I don't
was,
want to find what she
I
searches
know,
on on
seriously.
YouTube.
We should end this now before
Yeah.
something crazy happens.
Oh,
Hey,
anyways.
great video, great time, great always with you, Katie. Until
Always.
next time, I'm Jason Catron.
I'm Katie Talbot.
We are
Vocal Lab
Collective. You said
Best-
K.E. You said I'm K.E. Talbot.
Okay. Just skip ahead a second.
You sure did. That's